Hello everyone, here again your midwife Donna, and I'll be sharing to you how to prevent and remedy allergy caused by laundry detergent. Some studies ang pagkakaroon ng laundry detergent allergy doesn't necessarily mean you are allergic to a certain brand. Laundry detergent can cause an allergic reaction when it contains one or more ingredients that you are allergic to. When you wear clothes that have been washed in them, your body has a negative reaction called contact dermatitis. What are the common signs and symptoms of laundry detergent allergies? The symptoms of laundry detergent allergies ay makikitaan ng inyong mga litawan ng pagkakaroon ng redness, itching, and rashes. This condition known as allergic contact dermatitis ay common na symptoms of an allergic reaction to substance like fragrance or enzymes in detergent. What is the fastest way to heal a baby rash? Bathe your little one daily using a warm water and mild and gentle formula shampoo and mild soap to babies until the rash clears up. When to see your doctor? If your symptoms are severe or don't go away after a couple of weeks. Here's some tips of laundry detergent to avoid allergies. Choose a wisely laundry detergent made from natural ingredients, no harsh chemical, no optical brighteners, as well as paraben-free, not tested on animals, and earth-friendly. They generally avoid common allergens such as fragrance and dyes. Perform a patch test. Before using a new product, apply a small amount to a patch of skin. If no reaction occurs within 48 hours, the product is likely safe to use. Double rinse. Malawang maigi ang labahin can help ensure all detergent has been removed from your clothes. Wear gloves when handling detergent. This can prevent skin contact with potential allergens. And use less detergent. Karamihan sa atin mas gustong marami ang paglalagay ng detergent which can leave irritating residue on clothes.